This week in math, we're going to be studying geometry. You're going to be learning about different quadrilaterals and triangles and the attributes of those quadrilaterals. Now, an attribute is a characteristic of someone or something. It's the way you describe an object or describe even a person. You could describe people by their eye color, their hair color. You could describe people by what color shirt they have on. And that's the same thing we're going to be doing with these shapes. On page 9 in your packet, there's a geometry study sheet that talks about the different attributes or characteristics of each of these shapes. One suggestion that I have for you is if you have any index cards or you can even use blank paper, I would make some flashcards. That's what I have here. You can draw the shapes. If you have a printer, your parents could print out these shapes for you. But what I did, and the way that I usually have my kids practice these in class, is we'll always make some kind of like study cards. And on one side, we'll draw the shape, and on the back, we'll write the attributes of that shape. So for quadrilaterals, they could be lots of different shapes, but they're always polygons that have four sides. For a square is a quadrilateral, it's a parallelogram, they have four equal sides and four right angles. So if you want to take the time to make some cards like this that will help you study and practice and learn these shapes, you can. You could even make it into a game. You could have a parent read off the attributes one at a time, and you try to draw the shape that you think they're describing and name it. Have fun with it and look for these shapes around your house. I'm sure you could find a trapezoid or a square, a rectangle, an octagon, a hexagon, just around your house in your everyday life. Shapes are everywhere. So maybe even do a shape scavenger hunt with your family. If you have a brother or sister, maybe they'd want to play along too.